providing non-repudiation as a service, because whenever you order something, whenever you're doing some transactions through e-commerce, once you do the payment, and then you cannot claim that no, I have not done the payment, the money is accidentally debited from my, debited from my bank. Of course, sometimes those kind of situations will happen, but you cannot always claim that. Okay, so for a protection or for security of e-commerce websites and all, this non-repudiation is included in the security services. Okay, and the fourth one we have is auditing. What do you mean by auditing? Auditing will analyze the data. It will analyze the data. That means it will have the entire information about the data. So whenever if any hacking or if any unauthorized transaction or permission happens, then the data this auditing is having, that data will be used to track, it will be used to trace the hacker. So what does this have? It will have who is the sender, who is the receiver, from where the sender is sending the message, where the receiver is sitting and receiving the message, on which device sender is using, which device receiver is using, how the data is being sent, it is sent through internet or is it is sent through SMS or whatever. All those information will be within the auditing. All those information you can get from auditing, which is further used to like trace the data or track the data in case of any bad things happen. So that's all. These are the 4 security services we have: authentication, authorization, non-repudiation and auditing. Okay, that's all for this video guys, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and do not forget to share it with your friends. And if you have understood whatever I've explained in this video, hit the like button and feel free to give your comments and suggestions in the comment box. Give your opinions and tell me what you feel about the video. If you want me to make any modifications or any changes, feel free to tell all of them. If you want me to include any other subjects or any other topics, let me know. And if you have missed out other videos of this playlist, I will be giving you the link in the description. You can check out and you can have a look at those videos also. Thank you for watching the video guys.